question. All right? This is a CRCT question for the ones that don't know. It is. You might think it's a trick question, but it's not. It's actually in a passage. It's in the reading section. It's in the passage. You got to read the passage. Then you got to answer the question. All right. Now, 5 frogs. 5 frogs. How many? 5. 5 frogs sat on a log. 5 frogs sat on a log. One took a notion to jump off. How many were left? I'm going to say it again. 5 frogs sat on a log. One took a notion to jump off. How many were left?
None.
How many were left?
4. None.
4. Okay. How many? 5. You sure about that? You sure about that?
Say 0.
I'm asking you again. Are you absolutely sure about it? 5 frogs sat on the log. One took a notion to jump off. How many were left?
None.
Don't listen to them, because they're not going to be able to take a CRCT for you. You're going to have to get it for yourself.
0.
He said 4. 4. If you think 4 is wrong, make some noise. Okay. Guess what? You guys like to travel? You do? You like to travel? You like to travel? You like to travel? No? Okay. Hate to travel. Well, you guys did win something. You won 3. All expenses paid. You know what all expenses paid mean? You don't have to come out your pocket with nothing. 3. All expenses paid. Round trip ticket right back to y'all seat.